In the equity quadrant, the March Nasdaq futures fell for the third straight session, closing at the lowest level since December 19th, with the entire three-session move lower, totaling minus 1.07%. The high today was 25,716.75, up 0.19%, and the low was 25,542.50, down 0.49% so far. I say so far because there is still time left in the session, and today is a very low volume session, so extended moves can happen into the close. The Nasdaq is finishing the week down by over 1%, the month of December down by approximately 0.57%, but the year up by 15.5%. All major equity markets are closed across the globe tomorrow for the New Year's Day holiday, but attention shifts to Friday the 2nd, with manufacturing PMI data due in the UK, Germany, the Eurozone, and the US, plus US construction spending, US PMIs, and the US PMIs are expected to push further into expansion territory, while construction spending is seen as coming in slightly negative. Any surprises could move stocks on the first trading day of the new year. Earlier today, jobless claims came in stronger, and rising yields appear to be nudging expected Fed rate cuts further out into 2026. The Santa Claus rally, traditionally the last 5 days of December and the first 2 days of January, has not really materialized so far. According to Plus 500's News and Market Insights, the no Santa Claus rally equals bad year story doesn't hold up as a clean signal. Tougher markets have sometimes followed years without a Santa Claus rally, but there are plenty of exceptions. 2024 is a good example. December slipped, yet the Nasdaq future still finished the year up 16.7%. So treat the Santa Claus rally, or lack of Santa Claus rally, as a loose tendency, not as a rule you can trade.